In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make app visibility as private in Base44. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you have access to the app you want to update. Once you're ready, start by opening your app workspace. In this example, we'll be working from a project called TaskFlow, but the process is the same for any app in Base44. From your Base44 dashboard, navigate to the specific app you want to change. When the app editor or workspace loads, look towards the main navigation area at the top of the screen. You should see an option labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. This will take you to a central view where you can manage key aspects of your app, including its settings, configuration, and visibility. Inside the dashboard, you'll see several sections or tabs. Find and click on the one labeled Overview. The Overview section is where Base44 groups together general information and high-level settings for your app. It's usually the best place to look when you want to adjust how your app behaves or how other people can access it. Once you're in the Overview area, look for a section called App Visibility. This might appear as a panel, a card, or a settings block, often alongside other options like app details, environment, or access settings. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place, because this is where you'll control who can see and use your app. In the App Visibility section, you'll see different visibility options. One of these options will be private. When an app is set to private, it is not publicly accessible, and only people with the appropriate permissions or access within your organization will be able to see or open it. This is particularly useful for internal tools, apps still under development, or anything that contains sensitive data. Now, select the private option. After you select it, check if there is any Save or Apply button on the page. In some versions of Base44, changes are saved automatically, but in others, you may need to confirm the change. Make sure the visibility status clearly shows that the app is now set to private. That's all you need to do. You've successfully navigated to your app, opened the dashboard, gone into the overview, found app visibility, and set your app to private in Base44.